Back.
That was a fake. That was a fake. That was a fake. Engage on base 2. Base 2. Don't let him pass. Don't let him pass. Don't let him pass. T-Tank. T-Tank, don't let him pass. Kill Mikasa. Kill Mikasa. Kill Mikasa. Back to a choke now. Back to a choke. Back to a choke, everyone.
Come back, guys.
Stop
Come
clumping.
back.
Spread out a bit.
Everyone, go back to a choke. You're gonna die
Come
there.
back, guys.
You see them trying to pass. They want the open. Heal arrow shooter. Heal arrow shooter. Demon. 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 Heal on front. Heal on the front. Heal on the front. Get out of your. Defensive. Listen, Giga. Front. Leech your boss. Leech your boss. Leech your boss. Leech your boss.
Stop this, guys.
The boss is leech. We can touch. We can stay here. I'm not gonna get out the outpost. We're scared now.
Three people.
We still can fight.
We have 8 people in party 2 in here.
On me. Defense, defense. Il front. Il tapis. Nice. No. Not yet. I have now. It's a back. Heal the front. Defense it.
What?
Demons and heal front. Money in party 2.
Egg people.
Engage on me. Also die, if you can regear and come back, it will help us. If you die, you can regear and come back and you can help us. You still have DPS in party 2?
Yeah.
Okay,
1, 2, 3.
it's still fine then.
Yes, 60 guys. 1.
Defensive. He'll dodge.
Ah.
Get back northwest. Defensive. Don't let them pass. Defensive. Give me cooldowns. Engage on me in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Pick.
Don't let them pass. Get back southwest. Southwest now. Don't let them pass. Southwest. Defensive, defensive, heal front, heal front, heal front, heal front, heal front, defensive. Southwest, 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 southwest. Use your gigs. Use your gigs. Heal us on the front, heal us on the front. Do you have cooldowns? Do you have cooldowns? Cooldowns, guys. Okay, okay. Everybody's running. Just run. Just run if you started running already. GG's, guys.